What's up, guys? Welcome back to 509FOURS. Today we got a shop tour. So as you walk in, first thing you will see is it's a bit messy, but we got our welding area, our brazing area, the torch, and then our workbench, bench grinder, vise, press, all our tools. We're currently working on getting a designated welding table to have in this area, so it's a bit messy right now. All right, so right here we got our sort pile, which is pretty much the accumulation of everything that was sprawled around the shop that needs to be sorted. Once it is sorted, this will be the new metalworking area, and it'll be home to the metal rack and a couple other tools. Then if you follow me over here, we have our little showroom area with some of the builds that will be on the channel eventually. Just got done drywalling. It's all in the works so far. You follow me over here. We got woodworking area, bathroom, Volkswagen parts stash. Not too much right now, but that's pretty much the shop on the first floor. All right, now we're gonna go upstairs. So first thing you see when you get upstairs, huge mess, but eventually over here we're gonna have a little office area, maybe cut a little window into the wall, who knows. You walk down here and we got our little crib up here, got the green shag carpet and a pool table. Eventually this will be like the little hangout spot, but as you can see, haven't gotten to this yet.
All right, so we do realize that the shop is kind of a mess right now, and we do plan to get it cleaner, so we will be doing shop updates on the channel. Hope you like the tour so far. 509FOURS out.